In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to make your lock screen clock bigger on your iPad or iPhone. So I'll show you. Let me lock my screen, and if you can see that my clock is much more bigger by compared to the default one. So how to make this clock bigger? So to make a clock bigger, first of all unlock your device and just slide down from the top, and now just hold your screen guys. And now here you will see this customize option, tap on it, and now tap on the clock, and now just choose the default the first font, because this works on first font only. And now you will be able to see this stretch option over here. Just stretch as much as possible, like it can stretch to this point on iPad, so you can stretch on your iPhone as well in a similar way. So yeah, this is how guys you can make it. And if you want to make it smaller, you can make it smaller anytime, but this bigger font guys looking much more better. So subscribe for more video guys. Till then, bye bye.